Good morning. Welcome to English speaking class. This is NJ here. Guys, girls, my students, Assalamu alaikum. Marhaba, Rajahao, Privet, Jianu. Dear students, today we are going to view the important phrasal verbs used in speaking. These phrasal verbs are a part of speaking. Let's start our lesson on whiteboard up here. The first you see, my students, stay out, stay out, stay out, stay out. You see that the first phrasal verb is stay out. Stay is a verb and out is a verb. Out is a preposition. So stay out, verb stay and preposition out combine together and make a phrasal verb. And the statement is, the sentence is, Billy stayed out all night. Billy stayed out all night. Billy stayed out all night. बिली ने रात बाहर बसर की. बिली ने रात भर बाहर गुजारी. बिली ने सारी रात बाहर बसर की. बिली stayed out all night. बिली stayed out all night. बिली ने सारी रात बाहर गुजारी. बिली stayed out all night. बिली सारी रात बाहर रहा. बिली stayed out all night. बिल्ली ने सारी रात बाहर क़याम किया. Stay out, stay out. To spend time outside, to spend time outside. So Billy stayed out all night. Billy stayed out all night is a beautiful phrasal verb. बिल्ली ने तमाम रात बाहर बसर की. बिल्ली ने तमाम तर रात बाहर गुजारी. Billy stayed out all night. Billy stayed out all night. बिल्ली ने तमाम रात बाहर गुजारी. Let's see the next statement and next phrasal verb. You see here, next one is stand out, stand out, stand out. Stand out means to appear as a model, to appear as a model. Stand out. Alice's new dress stands 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 out. अली का नया लिबास जलवा फरोज है. Stand out. Stand out is a beautiful phrasal verb. So stand out means to look attractive, to be attractive, to look attractive as a model, to look attractive being a model, to look attractive being a model. And statement is, Ali's new dress stands out. Ali's new dress stands out. Ali's new dress stands out. अली का नया लिबास जलवा फरोज है. अली का नया लिबास जलवा फरोज है. अली का नया लिबास नुमाया दिखाई देता है. Ali's new dress stands out. Ali's new dress stands out. अली का नया लिबास नुमाया दिखाई देता है. अली का नया लिबास नुमाया दिखाई देता है. Ali's new dress stands out. Ali's new dress stands out. अली का नया लिबास नुमाया नजर आता है. अली का नया लिबास नुमाया दिखाई देता है. अली का नया लिबास जलवा फरोज है. Ali's new dress stands out. Ali's new dress stands out. अली का नया लिबास जलवा फरोज है. Let's see the next statement. Next phrasal verb you see here. Rule out, rule out. Rule out means to eliminate, eliminate. Tom ruled out dark designs. 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 Rule out means eliminate. Tom ने भयानक मंसूबे खाकस्तर कर दिए. Tom ruled out dark designs. Tom ruled out dark designs. Tom ने भयानक मंसूबे खाकस्तर कर दिए. Tom ने भयानक मंसूबे खाक में मिला दिए. Rule out means to eliminate. To eliminate. Tom ruled out dark designs. Tom ruled out dark designs. Tom ने भयानक मंसूबासाजी खाकस्तर कर दी. Tom ने भयानक मंसूबे खाक में मिला दिए. Tom ruled out dark designs. Tom ruled out dark designs. Tom ने भयानक मंसूबे खाक में मिला दिए. Ruled out means to eliminate. Tom ruled out dark designs. Tom ruled out dark designs. Tom ने भयानक मंसूबे खाक में मिला दिए. Let's see the next statement. Next phrasal verb is worn out, worn out, worn out, worn out. To run off and to be tired, to be tired. Worn off means to run off of something and to be tired, to be tired. So statement is Sue, Sue, Sue worn out after had well. 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 सख्त मुशक्कत के बाद, सख्त मेहनत के बाद सू थकावट से चूर हो गई। सख्त मेहनत के बाद सू थकावट से चूर हो गई। सू worn out, Sue worn out after hard work. Sue worn out after hard work. सख्त मेहनत के बाद सू थकावट से चूर हो गई। Sue worn out after hard work. Sue worn out after hard work. सख्त मेहनत के बाद सू थकावट से चूर हो गई। सख्त मेहनत के बाद सू बहुत ज्यादा थक गई। Sue worn out, to be tired much, to be tired much. Sue worn out after hard work. Sue worn out after hard work. सख्त मेहनत के बाद सू थकावट से चिकनाचूर हो गई। सख्त मेहनत के बाद सू बहुत ज्यादा थक गई। Let's move to the next phrase and the statement. And next phrasal verb is look out, look out, look out. Look out mean be careful, मुहतात रहना। Be careful, be careful, मुहतात रहो। Be careful, look out. And the phrase is, statement is, hey, look out, the ice fall. 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 अरे बर्फ बर्फ बर्फानी बर्फानी तोदों से बाखबर रहो। हे अरे हे लुक आउट द आइस फॉल। हे लुक आउट द आइस फॉल। अरे बर्फबारी से बाखबर रहो। Ice fall means falling of ice, falling of ice in hilly areas. So hey, look out! Hey, look out! The ice fall. Hey, look out the ice fall. Hey, look out the ice fall. अरे बर्फबारी से बाखबर रहो। अरे बर्फानी तोदों से बाखबर रहो। Hey, look out the ice fall. Hey, look out the ice fall. अरे बर्फानी तोदों से बाखबर रहो। अरे बर्फबारी से बाखबर रहो। अरे बर्फबारी से मोहतात रहो। Hey, look out the ice fall. Ice fall means to be careful. Hey, look out the ice falls. अरे बर्फबारी से मोहतात रहो। बर्फबारी से मोहतात रहो। And look out means be careful. Be careful. Hey, look out the ice fall. Hey, look out the ice fall. अरे बर्फानी तोदों से अरे बर्फबारी से look out the ice fall. अरे बर्फबारी से मोहतात रहो। Thank you, my students. These are very interesting phrases. Memorize these phrases. I'll see you again. Goodbye. Goodbye.